What similarity do you see in these visuals? Yes, apart from belonging to the India Couture Week 2023, they have divas clad in the same kind of attire. A bralette teamed with a thigh-high slit skirt, open hairstyle and nude lips. Right from Kiara Advani, who walked the ramp for ICW 2023's opening show by Falguni Shane Peacock, to Ananya Panday, Bhumi Pednekar, Disha Patani and Sobhita Dhulipala. The divas were seen dressed in bralettes and side-slit skirts on the ramp. Kiara on day one channeled her inner Barbie in this Falguni Shane Peacock creation. She wore a beaded bralette with a bareback detailing and paired it with a lehenga featuring a thigh-high slit. Then came Bhumi, whose risque bralette and a heavily embellished fish-cut lehenga was from Varun Behl's collection. Ananya's unique bralette blouse and asymmetrical skirt with the side slit was from designer Rimzim Dadu. Sobhita walked the ramp in a sparkling silver lehenga set comprising of a bralette with an attached sleek dupatta-like drape and a low-waist cutout sheer skirt. Disha gave us mermaid core vibes in her glimmering strappy bralette with a matching lehenga skirt with a bold slit on the side and a flowy silhouette towards the hem. The only differently dressed actresses were Janhvi Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, Athiya Shetty, Vani Kapoor and Aditi Rao Hydari. Sara walked with Aditya Roy Kapoor for Shantanu and Nikhil. Janhvi turned showstopper for Gaurav Gupta. Vani on Tuesday turned muse for designer Isha Jajodia, showcasing her romantic reverie collection. Athiya's look stood out. A stunning embroidered cream-colored long-sleeve ensemble which had contemporary and vintage elements. One thing is for sure, side slits and bralettes have so far ruled this year's India Couture Week. And if we wonder why, we can only say that they are indeed the flavor of the season and traditional lehengas are not. How about you? Do you like the similar looks? Or do you think they got repetitive? Do let us know in the comments and do subscribe to Shosha for more updates on fashion.